What if I told you that your home already has hidden square footage, space you never realized was there? Most small homes aren't lacking in size, they're lacking in strategy. The secret to making a compact home feel larger isn't knocking down walls or buying a new house. It's unlocking the potential that's already inside your rooms. And the best part? You can do it on a budget, with clever hacks that interior designers use but rarely share. Today, I'll show you 7 unexpected and affordable decor hacks that will stretch your space, create breathing room, and give your home the illusion of size without spending thousands. Stick with me until the end, because I'll not only share each hack, but I'll also show you real design images that prove these ideas actually work. And if you haven't already, subscribe, because this channel is packed with secrets for cozy, stylish homes. Small homes often force one room to serve multiple purposes. Living room, office, dining space all in one. Instead of crowding everything together, create zones with clever, inexpensive tricks. Use a slim rug under the sofa area to define living, a pendant light above a small table to define dining, and a folding screen or open shelving to define work. Even without walls, your brain reads these zones as separate, making the whole space feel structured and larger. Best part? Rugs, curtains, and second-hand shelves are budget-friendly tools that give the impression of more square footage. Doors and bulky furniture eat up precious clearance space. Replace standard swing doors with sliding barn-style doors or lightweight folding panels. You'll save up to 3 feet of clearance instantly. The same goes for furniture. A fold-out desk that disappears into the wall, a drop-leaf dining table, or stackable stools that slide under the counter. These choices aren't just practical, they visually clean the room, making it look larger. And you don't need custom carpentry. IKEA hacks, thrift stores, and even DIY kits make this affordable. Forget heavy wood and thick finishes. Transparent furniture, like glass coffee tables, acrylic chairs, or wire shelving, visually disappears, giving you function without visual clutter. But here's the twist. Pair them with reflective finishes like chrome, brushed steel, or glossy laminates. Light bounces, shadows soften, and suddenly corners don't feel heavy. For small homes, these materials are a secret weapon, and you can find them at secondhand shops or affordable online stores. Most small homes feel small because they're dark. But you don't need more windows, you need to borrow light. Replace solid doors with frosted glass panels, use sheer curtains instead of blackout drapes. When light flows, the walls disappear, and your home feels like it just grew by 30%. Stay with me, because the next hack uses your ceiling to create an illusion most people never think about. Here's a designer secret. People obsess about floor space but forget the ceiling. Adding vertical stripes with paint, hanging curtains from ceiling to floor, or installing slim crown molding that draws the eye upward all create the illusion of taller rooms. A budget hack? Use LED strip lights along the ceiling edges. This floating effect visually raises the roof without construction. When your ceiling feels higher, the entire room feels bigger. Open concept sounds great, until you realize it often looks messy. But building permanent walls is expensive and shrinks space. The solution? Flexible partitions. Think fabric curtains on ceiling tracks, lightweight folding screens, or sliding panels. They let you hide clutter when needed, create privacy instantly, and then disappear when you want openness again. These partitions cost a fraction of building walls, yet they give you the control to resize your home depending on the moment. Instead of downsizing your lifestyle, make your furniture work harder. A bed with storage drawers eliminates the need for a bulky dresser. A bench with hidden storage serves as both seating and storage space. Even a hollow ottoman doubles as storage and extra seating for guests. The key is to look for furniture that is worthwhile for multiple reasons. If you are on a tight budget, used furniture can be easily revamped with new paint and upholstery. And there you have it, 7 budget-friendly decor hacks that prove you don't need a bigger house to live better, you just need smarter design. With a few strategic choices, your small home can look bigger, brighter, and more stylish without expensive renovations. These affordable decorating ideas bring together everything that matters: clever storage solutions, multi-purpose furniture, elegant color choices, and professional tricks that instantly transform compact spaces. Now it's your turn. Which of these small home decor ideas are you excited to try? Share in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else who's struggling with a tiny apartment or a compact house. And if you're looking for even more inspiration, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Every week, we bring you cozy home inspiration, smart interior design tips, and space-saving solutions that actually work in real homes. Don't click away yet. Right after this, I've added a curated gallery of beautiful small home designs, from stylish living rooms and clever kitchens to bedrooms that feel twice their size. Watch them closely, save your favorites, and imagine how these hacks could transform your own home into a cozy, welcoming space that feels much bigger than it is.